Welcome to our video on the customization of connectors in Logic apps. Connectors enable seamless integration with various services, but tailoring them to specific workflow needs is key to maximizing functionality and ensuring smooth data flow. In this video, we'll guide you through selecting the right connectors, configuring authentication, customizing parameters, transforming data, applying filters, and testing connectivity. Select appropriate connectors. It is important to choose connectors that are relevant to the workflow to ensure seamless integration. Configure authentication. Setting up authentication is essential for securing data access and maintaining the integrity of the workflow. Customize parameters. Adjusting connector parameters allows workflows to be tailored to specific needs, improving efficiency and functionality. Implement data transformations. Transforming data between incompatible formats ensures smooth communication between different systems. Apply filters. Using filters helps refine data output, ensuring only relevant information is processed. Test connectivity. Verifying that connectors function as expected is crucial for maintaining a stable and reliable workflow. By customizing connectors in Logic apps, you can create tailored integrations that enhance functionality and streamline workflows. Proper configuration ensures reliable and secure data exchanges, helping your applications run efficiently. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our content for further insights into Logic apps.